Today I'm going to be testing out two different brands of the 9mm. First off is going to be the Winchester Ranger Bonded. It's the 24 grain bonded jacketed hollow point, product number RA9BA, versus the Federal 147 HST, product number P9HST2. Now I'm sure on YouTube you've seen a lot of these tests with the water jugs, you know, full of water and newspaper. I'm going to do the same thing but with a twist. I'm going to put some pork rib in the front and in the back. And the reason I'm using the pork rib is I know pork flesh is as close to human flesh as you can get. Now, as for the ribs with the bone density and, you know, all that other technical stuff, I don't know. So if anybody has any information and wants to post it, I'll be glad to hear it. But I haven't gotten that scientific with it. And then in front of the pork, I'm going to have 4 pieces of denim to represent some clothing. So let me get this all put together and we'll run the test. Okay, first up will be the Ranger 124 P+. Using the Glock 17, this will be shot at 15 feet. Apparently it penetrated all 4 of them. Impact through both denim, not a problem. The first set of ribs, you can see if you look close, it got about half of the bone there. Opened up fairly well. The back side I can stick my finger through easily. Here you can tell it looks like I hit center of mass. Big explosion there. Exploded the second container, and also it went through the back side of the pork. Can easily stick my thumb in there, no problem. It didn't hit any of the bones though, but penetrated all 4 and kept going. And up next is going to be the Federal 147 grain HS2. Okay, through the denim, the first piece, it hit the bone. I can feel there's just a fragment holding on where it's really breaking apart. So it busted through the bone, easily exploded. Looks like nice mushrooming right there on the entry. Good size hole. Through the second piece of meat, very small bone, you can see there. Run my thumb through that, not a problem. Through the second jug and just sticking into the third. See if I can get this out. So it obviously didn't fully open up like a flower. So the thickness of these two together, along with the denim, is close to 1.5 inches, somewhere between 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. The water jugs are 5.5 each, so there's 11, almost 12.5 inches of penetration, a little better with the Federal 147 grain HST, and that's going through bone. And from that end to there, it's kind of hard, but close to 3/4 inch, even being deformed like that. So that was rather impressive. Straight through the one bone, a small bone, and 2 water jugs filled with paper, and just busting a hole in the third. So you can look at what both products did and make your own conclusions. Thank you.